welcome to the challenge week of the first ever Mrs. Femina online hunt, presented by Bosch Home Appliances. I'm so excited to be cooking at the Unsa house. They truly add to an experience when it comes to cooking. In this episode of The Art of Perfect Cooking with me, Neha Shah, I am on a mission to make you fall in love with a green vegetable that doesn't hold a good reputation in terms of taste. It's broccoli, and today we are making the broccoli almond soup. In my experience, two things are absolutely crucial for lip-smacking meals: fresh ingredients and great equipment. You know where people mess up when cooking? It's when the boiling, simmering, baking, etc. actually happens. There really is science behind a perfect meal, and if your appliance does that for you, then that's half the job done. The Bosch Venting Hob's Perfect Cook feature guarantees a perfect cooked dish each time. The sensors allow you to control the temperature in the pan directly with just a button. Now you won't overcook anything even if you try. So the first step is to heat some water. So my water has started simmering. Add a little bit of salt. Once the water comes to a boil, all you need to do is just add in your broccoli. We are only going to be blanching the broccoli for 2 minutes. So the broccoli has been blanched. Now I'm going to be transferring it into some water. Now I'm going to add the spinach in the same water. So the spinach has been blanched, and I'm going to transfer the spinach also in some cold water. So the spinach has been blanched, all the ingredients are prepped. What are we waiting for? Let's make the soup. Let's heat some oil in the pan. Next is the butter. In goes the onion, some garlic. Just to give it a very good flavor, I'm going to add in a tej patta. You want to cook this only until the onion turns translucent. So this looks ready. Now it's time to grind. The unique ActiveFlow breaker technology diverts your mixture towards the blades, giving you a super smooth mixture. Broccoli, our spinach, all together to make a smooth paste. Before transferring all the ingredients, remember to remove this bay leaf out. In just few seconds, this 1000-watt Bosch TrueMix Pro Mixer Grinder grinds through almost anything. Let's transfer this in the same saucepan, and then we will grind the almonds to make a smooth paste. Next, we will be adding some stock into this. Just a little bit of black pepper, some salt, a little bit of nutmeg. Now we're going to let this soup simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Am I the only one who thinks that cooking is a complete sensory experience? The colors, the smell, and even the sizzle are like music to my ears. So obviously, I hate noisy kitchens. Luckily, the silent technology of the Bosch chimney makes my cooking experience completely noise-free, and the clean air module feature leaves my kitchen odor-free and fresh. So this looks like it's done, and now it's time to serve it. Just like how a superhero is incomplete without a sidekick, turns out our broccoli soup too has a perfect companion. Savor it with a corn salsa bruschetta, and believe me, you are going to crave this combo forever. A nutritious meal can be tasty. Try this recipe, and I promise you, broccoli will become a weekly staple on your veggie list. If you do recreate this recipe, do share it with us using the hashtag #PerfectCookingWithBosch or Mrs.Femina.